This one's in response to something Clive Littlewood said on the comments recently. And it's to do with one of them sort of halcyon days where he said, like, this week the CX has been exactly what it should have been, where we was actually getting decent jobs and decent money and it was all flowing and all that kind of stuff. And the reason why is it was Eid. And the thing is, obviously with Eid being a religious holiday, all the Muslims will be having a day off to spend time with their family and to celebrate the, the wonder of Eid. And as a result of which, let's say, for example, and this is just off the top of my head, 25% of the drivers on the CX are a Muslim. That means you're down 25% of the drivers. And as a result of which, as a shipper, you're going to get 25% less bids. But the same amount of stuff is presumably moving. So suddenly, demand for drivers has increased. The question is that the way it should be? Now, it's kind of an economic thing, isn't it, really, when I did my basic economics, which a million years ago, that's way back in the day, and you've got two things, it's like a graph, and one bit goes that way, and one bit goes that way, and the middle point is exactly the right point. And the point is, that's at the point where supply and demand intersect. Now, what Clive is saying, it's more of a, wouldn't it be lovely? Wouldn't it be lovely if you finished your job and you went on there and there was 4 or 5 jobs and you could take your pick and you could mark up a little bit more than you do? Do you want to go, yeah, we'll book you? Yeah, it would. But the problem with this is, as soon as you do that, and everybody else does that, and they go down a pub or they have a dinner and they tell their mates, they go, quite a blinding day today. Bang, 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 job off, one job after the next, no waiting time, just round the corner, loads of money. They go, cool, that's good. That's better than what I'm doing at the moment. I'm going to get myself a van. And then, so, more people come onto it. And then you get to the stage where everyone's having a moan up. They go, oh, I don't get this at all. I've had to wait 2 hours for my next job. There were 20 bids. I rung the guy up. I said, I'll do it. He said, there's someone on here who's going to do it for £18.50. It's going to Glasgow. I'm like, oh, no. Then other people go, oh, I don't think I'll get myself a van. Or I bought myself this van. This is no good, is it? I'm getting rid of it. And as a result of which, we've talked about this before with the conveyor belt of fools, it reaches a natural level. It's like one of them canal lock things. It's like water. It reaches a natural level. It might not be the level you want it to be at, but it's the level that it is at. So, it's not so much a matter of, is the CX oversubscribed? Wouldn't it be lovely if it was this way? Wouldn't it be lovely if I was the only driver on the CX and I could turn around and I could just pick whatever jobs I want forever? I could go and buy 20 vans and just charge everybody a fortune and then just buy myself a gold yacht and sit there with my feet up. It's more a matter of, can you do it? Does it work for you? Is it hard? Is it easy? Are you happy? Is it making money? Is it something you would do rather than something else? So it's not, to me, a matter of the way the CX is. To me, it's much more a matter of personal philosophy of you do you. Find something that makes you happy. Find a job you enjoy doing that pays the bills and enjoy your life. Will the CX ever get to stage? And remember, there will be halcyon days, even when we're all working. The Thursday before the bank holiday, the Good Friday on bank holiday is always a busy day. The lead up to Christmas will be busier because people are trying to get gear out. The lead up Friday afternoons in a van was always busier because people were trying to get gear out. Then again, it's January. It's quiet. Everyone's been off for a while. Everything takes a while to get back used to it. It is what it is. Hopefully it's working for you as it is. And hopefully you are taking care and taking money.